All right, folks, welcome back to another edition of Show Me Your Car. Man, do I got a cool one for you now, and it's got a story you wouldn't believe. But before we show you the car, and before we hear the story, I need for you to subscribe for me. 90% of the viewers are not subscribed. So enough of that. Anyway, let's take a look at this cool car. Hey, Jerry, I'm Craig.
Craig, nice to meet you.
Nice to see you again. Yeah, for sure. Okay, Jerry has this Chevelle here. What year Chevelle is
67.
A 67. And this thing is absolutely stunning, beautiful, without a doubt. Now, we're going to walk around it a little bit and look at it, and then we're going to get the scoop on the story. Now, I can't wait for the scoop. We're going to have to do the scoop now. Okay, folks. Back in probably 1980-ish or so,
Yep.
Jerry and I happened to work at the same place. And he saw this car, I guess in the newspaper, for sale. Trading Times, for sale.
Yep.
And it was in St. Louis. And he needed somebody to go with him. So he asked me if I'd go. So we went down to St. Louis, and he had cash. And back in the day, he had, I think, $850, and he kept it in his shoe. So if he was to get robbed, they wouldn't look in his shoe. So anyhow, we went down there, and we bought this. He bought this car, and drove it home, and he's had it almost ever since then. So after that, you've had it for several years, and you ended up selling this car.
Yes. Yeah, I sold it in 93 and then bought it back in 97.
Okay.
So it was gone, and the only thing the guy that bought it lived in Columbia.
Okay.
And I called him just to see if he was interested in selling it back to me.
Right.
And his kids,
It's the microphone.
yeah,
Yeah.
were into 4-H more than the car at that time.
Okay.
So he said yes. So the car was gone for 4 years. I bought it back. I'll never sell it again. It will be my coffin. That's what I tell everybody. It's going to be my coffin. So
yeah, that's all right.
It's had the body off the frame. I pretty much know every nut and bolt on the car.
I'll be darned.
But it's a nice car. It's mine. So.
Right, it's yours for sure. Now let me ask you a question about this. I'm not sure if this is correct or not, but when you sold it, didn't the guy put a automatic in it, or
He did.
Okay.
He put a 700R in there.
Okay.
He still kept the original transmission.
Okay.
Original 4-speed.
Right.
And I got that back, and we took the 700R out.
Yes.
And put the 4-speed back in it.
Okay. Wow, and it's even got an 8-track player. That's pretty cool. And it's an air-conditioned car too, I see. Okay. And we even have 8 tracks back there, folks.
Yeah.
I like it. And I tell you what, this car is just unbelievably super cool. Without a doubt. So you said you did a frame-off restoration on it?
Yes.
Okay. Did it really need it?
Yeah, I did. Jim Benny actually put the quarter panels and the floors in this car.
Okay.
Whenever he was alive and he was off Jungerman Road.
Yeah.
He actually did that work to it.
Okay.
And then it sat for a while. And then over the years, we finally got it to where it is now.
Yeah.
My wife actually said at one time, because it was in so many pieces, she didn't think we'd ever get it back together.
It was like a big model, huh?
She calls it the money pit.
Yeah. Well, hey,
But it's my toy, and it's I don't have a problem spending money on it whatsoever.
Right.
If it needs it, it's going to get it done.
Right. Well, that's really neat for sure. Do you think that I might be able to talk you into firing it up so we can hear it?
I think so.
Okay. You can leave that on. Appreciate it. Did this thing come with the 8-track player, or did you add that on there?
No, it came.
Okay, I just didn't remember that for some reason. Oh, you're rolling backwards.
This is going to have to keep rolling back.
Oh, hold on a minute, Jerry, stop. Okay. Put your foot on that brake. Yeah, keep going forward. There we go. Thing sounds pretty wicked, man.
It's pretty healthy.
Yeah. Do you know about how many horsepower this is putting out?
It's probably about 4 1/4.
Okay.
Somewhere in that ballpark.
Yeah. Very, very nice. All right. Well, that ought to do it. Appreciate it. Yeah, I thought you were going to roll back all the way into the gravel back there.
You could have.
Yeah.
I didn't realize there was that much of a slope here.
Yeah.
Next time I'll park on the other side.
Then you'll be rolling out in the road.
Yeah.
Huh?
But no, it's a cool car. I love it.
Yeah,
Still to this
definitely.
day.
Yeah. There's nothing not to love about this car, you know? For sure. It looks like it's got, what, power brakes on it?
Power steering, power brakes.
Yeah. Air conditioning.
Everything works just like it should.
Nice.
It's a nice car.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't get out that much, really.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, I go more up towards Bowling Green,
Yeah.
Eolia, Hannibal,
Yeah, because you live up in
Vandalia.
Troy.
Well, I
or
live in
something?
Troy, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So I usually go up car shows up that direction.
Right.
But a bunch of the guys that I grew up with in O'Fallon come down here all the time, so
Okay.
I kind of hooked up with them.
Yeah. Well, it's a good spot to hang out. Not near the cars today as it was last week, but you know
It's because of the weather. Next week's going to be a good week because I think it says the high was going to be 80 degrees next
yeah,
Wednesday.
yeah, for sure, definitely.
So that should be a good one right there.
Yeah. Well, we're going to walk around it one more time and take a peek at it. This is a very special car, without a doubt. And it's got a really neat story behind it, too. Very cool. This thing is pristine. Pristine. Look at the vinyl roof on this, folks. Isn't that nice? This thing is just super cool. I love it. Very nice.
Take it off?
All right.
No. Where'd Mike go?
I don't know where Mike went.
All right, Jerry. Thanks a whole bunch for showing me your car. I really appreciate it. Definitely, it's a beautiful car.
No, thank you very much, Craig.
You're welcome. All right, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed that edition of Show Me Your Car. And if you liked it, click the little round logo up here. It's free to subscribe. And right over here is the last video I just did. Thanks again, folks. Appreciate it.